Hey guys, so Blackview will be launching the Blackview Shark 9 very soon. It's a sleek and modern 5G smartphone that offers impressive performance and features. The device would be offered in two striking colors, including Starry Rock Black and Azure Wave Blue. The device also boasts a premium design with its sleek dimensions, including a thickness of 8.65mm and a weight of just 200 grams, which makes the device very comfortable to use. The device also has the trendy flat frame design. So let's explore its top features and specs. So under the hood, the Blackview Shark 9 is powered by a powerful octa-core 5G Unisoc T820 processor that ensures smooth multitasking and seamless gaming experiences. But of course, this processor is not as powerful as many other top-tier 5G processors out there, but it is still capable of handling many tasks that you throw at it. The device features a large 6.67-inch HD Plus IPS display. It's kind of disappointing that the phone has an HD Plus display instead of Full HD Plus, but there's nothing we can do about it. And it has a 90Hz refresh rate and 700 nits brightness that delivers vibrant visuals and immersive content consumption. For capturing stunning photos and videos, the Black Shark 9 features a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of 50MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The 8MP front-facing camera is also great for selfies and video calls. Now, with ample storage options, including 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, the Black Shark 9 can handle all your storage needs. The device also supports expandable storage of up to 2TB via a microSD card. So to keep you powered throughout the day, the Black Shark 9 packs a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. The device also supports dual 5G voice over LTE that ensures fast and reliable network connectivity. The device also features GPS and other essential navigation systems in order to provide accurate navigation. Running on the DocOS 4.0 based on Android 14, the Black Shark 9 offers a smooth and intuitive user interface. Additionally, the device supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC for seamless connectivity. So these are the top features of the Black Shark 9. And of course, as regarding price, the Black Shark 9 is expected to cost, I don't know, $250, but I don't know its official price yet. I'm only speculating, okay? But it's going to be very cheap since it's coming from Blackview. Anyway, I would update you anytime the official price is revealed, and of course, anytime the device is officially released. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.